The dumbbell snatch is a unilateral exercise that's great for the posterior chain and easy to learn. To perform a dumbbell snatch, start with a dumbbell between your feet as shown on screen. Grab the dumbbell with elbows straight, knees and hips hinged, and back straight and braced. Drive off the floor with the lower body fast enough to create momentum for the dumbbell, and as your lower body fully extends, continue to pull with your upper body until the dumbbell is directly over your shoulder with your thumb pointing backwards. To reset, simply bring the dumbbell to your shoulder and lower it to the floor while keeping your core tight. Switch hands and repeat. To cycle them slightly faster, you can switch hands on the way down, tap the floor, and go right back into the snatch.